as we run out of time on this discussion, Chandrababu Naidu has been trying to build the new capital city of Amravati for the state of Andhra Pradesh. Depending on what happens April and May, if you were to get an opportunity, is that a plan you intend to build on, or will you say, scrap this capital city, I don't like it, I will build my own?
It's a very catch-22 situation, Rahul. Andhra Pradesh capital city is a big scam. You know, Chandrababu Naidu became the chief minister in June 2018, June 2014. He knew exactly where the capital city was coming because he had it in his mind. And he misled people that capital city was coming elsewhere. While he misled people that capital city was coming elsewhere, he himself, on his own heritage company's name and his binamis, bought land cheaply from the farmers in the exact capital city location. I mean, this would translate into insider trading if somebody were to speak about it.
So you will throw Chandrababu Naidu in jail?
No, this is insider trading. This is breach of oath of secrecy. You know, if anybody, any chief minister takes an oath, the oath says, I will protect the interests of the state. I will protect the secrets of the state. You cannot make use of the secrets of the state to make your own financial gains. You buy on your own company's name, heritage. You have your binamis buy land at cheap rates. Then the scam just doesn't stop there. It goes one step ahead. And you know what he actually does? He ensures that his binamis and he himself are right abutting the capital area, which is not acquired. You know, he's given a very decorative name as land pooling in the mask of land acquisition. But he ensured that most of his binamis and his land himself are just outside that acquisition or land pooling. And the scam just doesn't stop there. Then you know what he does? Whatever land he acquired in the disguise of land pooling, he goes ahead and gives it to anybody of his choice at whatever rates he wants, to whomsoever he wants, at whatever prices. He gives for real estate ventures 1,600 acres. To do what? Real estate plotting, not even building.
Okay, that all of those are, as of now, political charges which need to be investigated, but those are charges that you're leveling. This is the first time we've actually heard from Jagan Mohan Reddy on a stage in the national capital. I can guarantee to you, here's a
I'll just interrupt you for just 1 minute, Rahul, here. You know, since you spoke about corruption, I'll just want to interrupt 1 second from you. I'll just take 1 minute of your time. Has this country ever seen a politician caught red-handed, audio taped and videotaped with black money? He was literally audio taped and videotaped, caught red-handed, distributing black money to buy MLAs in Telangana.